Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to my channel. It's Gujarat Tourism Series, and today we are going to talk about top tourist place in Mahisagar. Number one, Dinosaur Fossil Park and Museum. The Dinosaur Fossil Park in Rayoli, Balasinor is a hidden gem discovered in 1980s. It showcases fossils all over 13 dinosaur species, including the impressive Rajasaurus narmandensis. The adjacent museum is fantastic with interactive exhibits, a 3D film, and life-size dinosaur statues. It's educational, fun for kids, and a great trip back in time. Highly recommended for dinosaur enthusiasts and families. There is a 5D show also. Don't miss to enjoy the VR on Oculus. The whole museum is central AC. Enough parking place available. Small restaurant is also available inside the campus. Ticket is rupees 70 for adult and 50 rupees for VR. Number 2, Kaleshwari Temple Parisar. Very nice place to visit with friends and family. You can spend 3 to 4 hours at this place. You can enjoy trekking. You can enjoy many old structures here like Sasuni Vav, Bhavani Vav. You can go at the time of afternoon. The timings are 8 am to 5 pm. Best place for one day trip with friends and family. Number 3, Todia Rocks. A quite isolated place with small temples surrounded by huge stone boulders on one side and Mahi River on other side. Place visited by locals in nearby villages. If you are tired of visiting same place and ready for drive, you can go else try when nearby or en route. Google its right to this place. Car can also go, but check for thorny twigs lying on the road. Locals are doing their best by developing a site and infrastructure. Take food and water in full. Spend 1 to 2 hours as you desire. Number 4, Kadana Dam. Kadana Dam is located in Aravalli mountain range exact on the border of Gujarat and Rajasthan state of India in northern part of Gujarat. Natural beauty of Aravalli range and surrounded green areas give more attractive views to this dam site. Devadidev Mahadev is sitting on the high hill at the dam site and gives his blessing to all devotees as usual. This reservoir is filled of natural beauty scenes. There are different viewpoints, some are at high point, one is at ground level. I will recommend this place for family picnic and one day adventure activities. Number 5, Bhimbameda Mahadev. I recently visited the Bhimbameda Mahadev temple near Balasinor, Gujarat, and it was a truly mesmerizing experience. The temple's architecture is stunning, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of Gujarat. The peaceful ambience and spiritual energy of the temple create a serene atmosphere for the visitors. The intricate carvings and beautiful sculptures inside the temple are a sight to behold, showcasing exquisite craftsmanship. The temples surrounding are serene and offer a tranquil setting for prayer and reflection. Overall, a visit to Bhimbameda Mahadev temple is must for anyone seeking spiritual solace and cultural enrichment in the heart of Gujarat. Number 6, Bhadar River Waterfall. Beautiful place to visit, especially when you have a bike ride. You enjoy the road till the destination as well. The only downside is people visiting this is who throw garbage here. People don't have common sense. It is located in Boravai village, which is considered the last village of the Khanpur Taluka and Mahisagar. The water is very neat and clean. You can enjoy bathing for a long time. No option of foods or nasta. You have to carry your own food from hometown. It's a good place for photography. Unique. The road is very enjoyable due to large areas covered with trees and all over greenery. Number 7, Kadana Dam Hill Viewpoint. What a view we had from the top of the mountain. The view is the same as a small island. The whole area is surrounded by the water. We just visited this place on the weekend. No entry fees charged over here. But yes, if you are wanting to do trekking, then select these ways which are located in slopes, and you can also select different ways which are located little far. But yes, you can go up there with bike or car. You must visit this place in the early morning or in the evening time period to enjoy the pure nature vibes at the top of the mountain. What a view of this Mahi River from the top of the mountain. And you can also want to show the electricity power station which is located down the side from the land area with a ticket. Number 8, Wanakbori Dam. Great place, well maintained. You can able to find Mahisagar Canal. Eventually that canal is merging in Narmada Canal. That place has amazing views. You need to perform some formality like you need to entry at the checkpoint. Staff is very supportive. Everything is well organized and well elaborated. So guys, these were the top tourist places to visit in Mahisagar, Gujarat. I hope you like the video. If you like it, just like it, share it and subscribe. And if you have any suggestion or feedback, feel free in comment box. Thank you. Jai Hind.